This video is sponsored by Unicure Spray Booths. Visit spraybooths.com for more information.
When was the last time you walked into your booth? Did you see overspray all over the walls, clogged and dirty filters, dirt and dust accumulating in the corners, and trash sitting off to the side? Treat your booth like a computer server clean room. Get on a filter maintenance program and stick to it. Dirty or loaded filters create drag and make your fans work harder until they're unable to move enough air through the system. Make it mandatory that the booth be cleaned on a regular basis and verify that it has been completed. Remember, maintenance is always less expensive than redos and reduced CSI. Several companies provide products such as spray-on wall protectant or plastic sheets to keep the walls of your booth clean from overspray. Be sure to remove and reapply wall protectors as necessary to reduce the opportunity for contaminants to impact your paint processes. Sure, you may be paying someone minimum wage to buff out the paint and resolve other booth issues, but what does that hourly cost mean to you over the period of a year if 50% of the detailer's time is spent removing dirt that should have never been there in the first place? Lastly, ask your vendors to provide you with recommended maintenance schedules based on your shop's production volume.